Melissa, and I'm here to talk to you about a few more things you should think about before coming onto campus. Before I came to college, my parents took care of just about everything for me. They made my doctor's appointments for me, they picked up my prescriptions, and they just made sure I was taking care of myself in general. When I came to campus, I had to start thinking about how to do these things for myself. It was really a lot easier than I thought it would be, but here's a few tips to help you out. The University Health Service, or UHS, is a comprehensive health clinic right here on campus. They have a variety of staff, including nurses, doctors, optometrists, and pharmacists as well. Most of the services that UHS provides are free since your tuition covers a lot of them. We also have the Counseling and Psychological Services, or CAPS, and they also have a variety of staff, including psychologists, psychiatrists, and social workers. They provide individual or group therapy, which is also free because it's included in your tuition. They have a great website called MyTalk, which can give you some more resources about mental health, as well as what to do if you're concerned about a friend. Services for Students with Disabilities is an office here on campus that can help you with any special accommodations you might need. Make sure to contact them before you come to campus if you have any concerns. If you have an ongoing medical or psychiatric condition, make sure to get your records transferred to the university before you come here. Then make sure to set up an appointment with your doctors within the first 2 weeks of coming to school so that you get to know them and are comfortable with them. Finally, we'd like to talk about safety here on campus. Although the University of Michigan is a very safe campus, we do face a lot of the same issues that campuses of our size do around the country. We'd mainly like to talk about alcohol use and sexual assault or intimate partner violence. Click the link below called Community Matters at Michigan to learn how to deal with some of these issues and some tips. So now I've given you a few things to think about before you come onto campus. There's a link below that you can click that has some talking points you can discuss with your parents if you'd like. So next we'll be talking about life on campus, which includes getting involved, getting around on campus, and how to stay safe.